Next question is, a company has registered 10 new domain names. The company uses the domains for online marketing. The company needs a solution that will redirect online visitors to a specific URL for each domain. All domains and target URLs are defined in a JSON document. All DNS records are managed by the Amazon's Route 53. A solutions architect must implement a redirect service that accepts HTTP and HTTPS requests. Which combination of steps should the solution architect take to meet these requirements with the least amount of operational effort? Choose three options. Option A. Create a dynamic web page that runs on an Amazon EC2 instance. Configure the web page to use the JSON document in combination with the event messages to look up and respond with a redirect URL. Option B. Create an application load balancer that includes HTTP and HTTPS listeners. Option C. Create an AWS Lambda function that uses the JSON document in combination with the event message to look up and respond with redirect URL. Option D. Use an Amazon API Gateway API with a custom domain to publish an AWS Lambda function. Option D. Create an Amazon CloudFront distribution. Deploy a Lambda at edge function. Option F. Create an SSL certificate by using AWS Certificate Manager ACM. Include the domains as subject alternative names. And the correct answer is option C, E, and F. Create an AWS Lambda function that uses the JSON document in combination with the event message to look up and respond with a redirect URL. Create an Amazon CloudFront distribution, deploy a Lambda at edge function, and create an SSL certificate by using AWS Certificate Manager ACM. Include the domains as subject alternative names. Next question is, a company stores sales transaction data in Amazon DynamoDB tables to detect anomalous behaviors and respond quickly. All changes to the items stored in the DynamoDB tables must be logged within 30 minutes. Which solution meets this requirement? Option A. Copy the DynamoDB tables into Apache Hive tables on Amazon EMR every hour and analyze them or anomalous behaviors. Send Amazon SNS notifications when anomalous behaviors are detected. Option B. Use AWS CloudTrail to capture all the APIs that change the DynamoDB tables. Send SNS notifications when anomalous behaviors are detected using CloudTrail event filtering. Option C. Use Amazon DynamoDB streams to capture and send updates to AWS Lambda. Create a Lambda function to output records to Amazon Kinesis data streams. Analyze any anomalies with Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. Send SNS notifications when anomalous behaviors are detected. Option D. Use event patterns in Amazon CloudWatch events to capture DynamoDB API call events with an AWS Lambda action as a target to analyze behavior. Send SNS notification when anomalous behaviors are detected. Correct answer is option C. Use Amazon DynamoDB streams to capture and send updates to AWS Lambda. Create a Lambda function to output records to Amazon Kinesis data streams. Analyze any anomalies with Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. Send SNS notifications when anomalous behaviors are detected. Next question is, a company has a complex web application that leverages Amazon CloudFront for global scalability and performance. Over time, users report that the web application is slowing down. The company's operations team reports that the CloudFront cache hit ratio has been dropping steadily. The cache metrics report indicates that the query string on some URLs are inconsistently ordered and are specified sometimes in mixed case letters and sometimes in lowercase letters. Which set of actions should the solutions architect take to increase the cache hit ratio as quickly as possible? And the options are: Option A. Deploy a lambda at edge function to sort parameters by name and force them to be lowercase. Select the CloudFront viewer request trigger to invoke the function. Option B. Update the CloudFront distribution to disable caching based on query string parameters. Option C. Deploy a reverse proxy after the load balancer to post-process the emitted URLs in the application to force the URL strings to be lowercase. Option D. Update the CloudFront distribution to specify caching insensitivity query string processing. Correct answer is option A. Deploy a lambda at edge function to sort parameters by name and force them to be lowercase. Select the CloudFront viewer request trigger to invoke the function.